friends, and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Ocado face mask reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product or website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is an online store based in United Kingdom that sells a variety of products including Ocado face mask, and the variety of face mask is huge. You can take a look at the homepage of the site and they are offering various face masks like sea and clay peel off face mask, Seventh Heaven coconut and clay peel off face mask, etc. And you can visit the product category anytime. Now guys, let's talk about other information related to this site. So talking about payment information, they have not mentioned particular online payment section, but yes, they have mentioned a frequently asked questions section, and here you will find all the questions related to payment, delivery, return and refund policy, exchange policy, etc. So the payment mode is online, guys. Now talking about delivery, so in this section you will find the delivery section as well. So they have not mentioned the particular delivery standard shipping duration, but yes, they have mentioned all the questions related to delivery and shipping. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. And talking about domain info, the domain name was created on 20th of March 2000. So guys, this is an old website and we can trust on this website easily. Now let's check out the about us section. So when you click the about us section, you will find the information related to the company, related to their story, mission, etc. So this is a good sign here. And guys, talking about contact us information, so yes, they have provided contact details like company's official address, telephone number, email address, etc. So this is again a good sign here, which shows the legitimacy of this site. And guys, talking about the social media presence, so you can take a look. The social media icons are available on the site are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube and blog. They have their own blog where they have posted various blogs according to the product requirement and products list. And guys, this site has social media existence on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube and blog, so which is a good sign here and shows the legitimacy of the store. And guys, talking about a return and refund policy, so they have not mentioned a particular refund policy section, but yes, when you will visit the frequently asked questions and you will visit the return and refund section, then you will find the question here and related to return. So the website has mentioned 7 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return and refund of the product because it will give benefit to other customers while making any online purchase or reviewing a website. And guys, talking about customer reviews, we have found mixed reviews about this site on the internet, but we have not found any review regarding this particular product. So in the final conclusion, the site appears to be legit, but we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And guys, for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.